Welcome to the ultimate street food showdown. Today, we're diving deep into the bustling streets of Egypt to uncover 13 mouthwatering delights, all for under $5 each. Get ready to feast your eyes and tantalize your taste buds as we unveil the best of Egyptian street eats. From savory bites to sweet treats, this is your front row ticket to an epic culinary adventure. No passport required, just a hunger for flavor and a love for affordable indulgence. But fair warning, you might want to grab a snack because things are about to get seriously appetizing. Number 1. Hawashi. Brace yourself for a flavor explosion with every bite of this beloved Egyptian street food. Hawashi starts with a pocket of Egyptian baladi bread, stuffed to the brim with a tantalizing mixture of seasoned minced meat, onions, and spices. The real magic happens when this savory parcel hits the grill, where the bread crisps up to golden perfection, sealing in all the juicy goodness within. With each mouthful, you'll experience a symphony of textures and flavors: the crunch of the toasted bread, the melt-in-your-mouth tenderness of the meat, and the aromatic blend of spices dancing on your palate. Whether enjoyed as a quick grab-and-go snack or a satisfying meal on the move, Hawashi embodies the essence of Egyptian street food, simple yet utterly irresistible. Number 2. Koshari. Prepare your taste buds for a hearty and satisfying culinary experience with koshari, Egypt's ultimate comfort food. This beloved street dish is a delightful medley of flavors and textures, featuring a base of perfectly cooked rice and lentils, topped with al dente pasta, and crowned with a generous dollop of spiced tomato sauce. But the piece de resistance, a crispy layer of fried onions sprinkled generously on top, adding a satisfying crunch to every forkful. What truly sets koshari apart is its versatility. Whether enjoyed as a quick street-side snack or a fulfilling meal, this dish never fails to leave a lasting impression. With its humble origins and rich, complex flavors, koshari embodies the essence of Egyptian cuisine, simple yet deeply satisfying. Number 3. Tamea. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the irresistible flavors of Tamea, Egypt's answer to the classic falafel. Made from ground fava beans mixed with a tantalizing blend of herbs and spices, these crispy and golden brown delights are a staple of Egyptian street food. Whether nestled inside a warm pita bread with a drizzle of tahini sauce or served solo with a side of pickled vegetables, Tamea promises a flavor-packed punch with every bite. With its crispy exterior giving way to a soft and flavorful center, it's no wonder that Tamea has earned its place as a beloved street food favorite among locals and visitors alike. So grab a piping hot Tamea and experience the culinary magic of Egypt right on the streets. Number 4. Full Medames. Prepare to indulge in a true taste of Egyptian tradition with full medames, a hearty and nutritious dish that has been satisfying appetites for centuries. Made from simmered fava beans seasoned with garlic, lemon juice, and a hint of cumin, this flavorful stew is a staple of Egyptian street food culture. Served piping hot and often accompanied by a side of freshly baked baladi bread, full medames is more than just a meal. It's a culinary experience that transports you to the bustling streets of Cairo with every spoonful. Whether enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this humble yet satisfying dish is a testament to the rich tapestry of flavors that define Egyptian cuisine. So, join the ranks of locals and travelers alike as you savor the warmth and comfort of full medames on the vibrant streets of Egypt. Number 5. Faer. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary journey through layers of flaky goodness with faer, Egypt's answer to the puff pastry. This delectable treat consists of thin layers of dough, painstakingly stretched and folded to create a delicate pastry that's both crispy and tender. Whether enjoyed sweet or savory, faer offers a symphony of flavors and textures with every bite. Indulge in a savory version filled with a savory blend of cheese, minced meat, or vegetables, or satisfy your sweet tooth with a generous sprinkling of powdered sugar and a drizzle of honey or chocolate spread. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack on the go or a leisurely treat shared among friends, Faer is sure to captivate your senses and leave you craving for more. Number 6. Shawarma Sandwich. Brace yourself for a flavor-packed journey with every bite of Egypt's iconic shawarma sandwich. This beloved street food staple features thinly sliced layers of marinated meat, typically chicken or beef, slow-roasted on a vertical spit until tender and succulent, wrapped in a warm, fluffy pita bread and generously slathered with creamy tahini sauce. This sandwich is a symphony of savory flavors that will leave you craving for more. With each bite, you'll experience the perfect balance of tender meat, tahini sauce, and crisp vegetables, creating a culinary experience that's nothing short of divine. Whether enjoyed as a quick grab-and-go snack or a satisfying meal on the move, shawarma sandwiches are a must-try when exploring the vibrant streets of Egypt. Number 7. Mashi. Get ready to experience the ultimate comfort food with mashi, a flavorful and satisfying dish that embodies the essence of Egyptian home cooking. This beloved dish features vegetables such as eggplant, zucchini, or grape leaves, carefully stuffed with a mouth-watering mixture of seasoned rice, herbs, and sometimes minced meat, slow-cooked in a flavorful tomato sauce until tender and aromatic. Mashi offers a symphony of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. Whether enjoyed as a hearty main course or a side dish to complement your meal, Mashi promises a culinary journey through the rich tapestry of Egyptian cuisine. So take a bite and savor the warmth and comfort of Mashi, a true taste of home on the vibrant streets of Egypt. Number 8. Basza. Get ready to indulge your sweet tooth with Basza, a delightful dessert that's as irresistible as it is satisfying. Made from semolina flour, coconut, sugar, and yogurt, Basza is a moist and fragrant cake that's soaked in a sweet and fragrant sugar syrup. With its tender crumb and delicate sweetness, Basza offers a delightful contrast of textures and flavors that will leave you craving for more. Whether enjoyed as a sweet treat with a cup of tea or served as the perfect ending to a hearty meal, Basza is a beloved dessert that captures the essence of Egyptian hospitality and culinary tradition. So take a bite and experience the heavenly bliss of Basza, a true delight for the senses. Number 9. Mukia. Prepare to immerse yourself in the rich flavors of Egyptian cuisine with Mukia, a hearty and aromatic soup that's beloved throughout the country. Made from finely chopped jute leaves, simmered to perfection with garlic, coriander, and sometimes meat or chicken broth, Mukia offers a comforting and nourishing dining experience. With its silky texture and robust flavors, this dish is often served over a bed of rice or accompanied by freshly baked baladi bread, making it a satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. Whether enjoyed as a warm and comforting dinner on a chilly evening or a hearty lunch to fuel your day, Mukia is a true taste of Egypt's culinary heritage that will warm your heart and tantalize your taste buds. Number 10. Shawarma Sandwich. Get ready to sink your teeth into a flavor-packed delight with Egypt's iconic Shawarma Sandwich. This beloved street food favorite features thinly sliced cured beef, known as bastra, seasoned with a tantalizing blend of spices like fenugreek, paprika, and garlic, sandwiched between layers of freshly baked baladi bread and accompanied by a medley of pickles, tomatoes, and tahini sauce. This sandwich is a symphony of savory flavors and textures that will leave you craving for more. With each bite, you'll experience the perfect balance of tender meat, tangy pickles, and creamy sauce, creating a culinary experience that's nothing short of unforgettable. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack on the go or a satisfying meal on the streets of Egypt, the Shawarma Sandwich is a must-try for any food enthusiast. Number 11. Isha Saraya. Get ready to savor the ultimate dessert indulgence with Isha Saraya, a decadent treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings. This beloved Egyptian delicacy features layers of soft and moist sponge cake or bread soaked in a fragrant sugar syrup infused with hints of rose water or orange blossoms water, topped with a generous layer of creamy whipped cream or kishta or clotted cream, and often garnished with a sprinkle of nuts or a dusting of cinnamon. Isha Saraya offers a symphony of textures and flavors in every bite. Whether enjoyed as a luxurious dessert after a hearty meal or as a delightful afternoon pick-me-up, Isha Saraya is a true testament to the richness and diversity of Egyptian sweets. Number 12. Mishab Buck. Brace yourself for a sweet and crispy delight with Mishab Buck, a beloved Egyptian dessert that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. This traditional treat consists of delicate strands of batter drizzled into hot oil in intricate patterns, creating a lacy golden brown masterpiece. Once fried to crispy perfection, Mishab Buck is then soaked in a fragrant sugar syrup infused with floral notes of rose water or orange blossom water, infusing it with sweetness and aroma. With its irresistible combination of crunchy texture and indulgent syrup, Mishab Buck is a true feast for the senses. Whether enjoyed as a special treat during festive occasions or as a comforting dessert on a cozy evening, Mishab Buck is a timeless classic that embodies the essence of Egyptian culinary tradition. Number 13. Macarona Bashel. Prepare to delight in a comforting and indulgent dish with Macarona Bashel, a classic Egyptian pasta bake that's sure to warm your heart. This beloved comfort food features layers of cooked penne pasta, smothered in a rich and creamy bechamel sauce made from butter, flour, and milk, seasoned with a hint of nutmeg and garlic. Each layer is generously sprinkled with a blend of cheeses, typically mozzarella and parmesan, adding a gooey and decadent texture to every bite. Baked to golden perfection in the oven, Macarona Bashel emerges as a bubbling masterpiece of savory goodness, enticing you with its irresistible aroma and creamy richness. Whether enjoyed as a comforting family meal or shared among friends during festive gatherings, Macarona Bashel is a true testament to the warmth and hospitality of Egyptian cuisine. And there you have it, foodies. We've embarked on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant streets of Egypt, uncovering 13 delectable street foods that won't break the bank. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious content. Until next time, happy eating and happy traveling.